It's going to be a quick overview of the Fostech Echo Sport. Difference being this will be a review with 22 long rifle. So first thing you'll notice is the trigger lock. You're going to get over that by using the Auto Sear Trip available in the Auto Sear Trip kit available through CMMG. It will also come with the following: the anti-bounce weight, which gets installed just to add a little bit more mass. As you can see too, this is a dedicated 22 bolt. So first up, we're at the range. Just going to do a quick demo of Echo mode and how you would switch over to get into semi-auto mode. You can see here you're doing Echo mode. If you don't want Echo, you're going to hold back, use your switch to come out of Echo, and now you're in semi-auto mode. Just a couple more quick rounds, and then we'll see how Echo really works. So here we're just loading up a quick, I believe this was a 10 round mag, just to rattle it off. There you go, just quick 10 rounds. And just to test it out, see if we can get it running with a bigger mag without any issues. I believe this is a 25 rounder. You can see with the trigger pull technique's a must. You don't have to come all the way out to get the trigger to reset, so that takes some practice, and this will be a cheaper way to do it. Then finally we just do a slow-mo for the sake of slow-mo. Pay close attention, you'll see that when the quicker bursts come out, my finger does not let up all the way. Like I said, that's the technique. You need to learn to get this thing to run perfect. Otherwise, it ran without issue. So, Fostech Echo Sport, good alternative to the now banned bump stock. So, keep an eye out.